Hello guys, and welcome to another video of OnSign Academy. So on today's video, I want to show you the white label possibility that you have with OnSign TV. So if you know OnSign TV already, you know that you can simply create an account in OnSign TV and use the platform, use it with your clients and so on and so forth. So in order for them to log in, if you create an account for them, they would be going on app.onsign.tv. But it's also possible to have the white label, which is basically a possibility for you to offer a digital signage platform, but with your brand. So if you choose to go with OnSign TV white label, your clients, everyone that you create an account for, they would be logging in on your own domain. So this is one part of the white label. So we do the whole server white labeling. Okay, so in that sense, the person will be logging into app.yourbrand.com. Okay, so they would never see the OnSign TV actual brand, right? So they would be logging in using their credentials. So when I click here and sign in, I am already in the platform, and as you can see, it's also customized. So here, instead of having OnSign TV logo, I have 123 signage. I can also change the color of this left bar, okay? And there is nothing here that mentions OnSign TV. So this is a great opportunity for you to offer the platform as your own software, okay? Another great thing about the white label is that you can create organizations. So you would be having this tab here saying orgs. And here is where you can create accounts for your clients, and these are all independent accounts. So here we have two examples. One account is for BMW. So we have this account created, it's active, it has 5 players enabled to it, however they are not using any. Here we have Mercedes, they are also active. There's 1 license enabled for them, but they are not using any. And this is the last when they joined the platform. And we also have some options here. So we could click here in edit and edit their account whenever we want. We could change the password. We can change the amount of players whenever we want, the amount of licenses we offer to this client. We could also block this client, as every account that you create on organizations will be paying for the platform, for the licenses directly to use. So they would not have direct contact with OnSign TV. And it's also possible to impersonate their account. So I could click here in impersonate, and now I am seeing their account. It also says here on the top, impersonating user Mercedes at OnSign.tv, please act accordingly. Just to keep in mind, this at OnSign.tv here is the email that we used. It doesn't mean that the account that you create or the account that you use to log into your white label will be at OnSign.tv. It's going to be your own domain, okay? I can click here in exit user impersonation tool. So this is a great tool for you to give support to your client, help them to use the platform actually, or solve any issues they might find, and you can help them directly through your platform, okay? The next detail that I want to tell you about, and it has to do with the first thing I mentioned. This is the server customization. So we have your domain here set up, we have the platform here set up with your color, with your logo and everything. And there's also the player customization. So every time that you're going to be associating a new player, you have to download the application for that player. It can be an Android, Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, professional signage displays, SoCs, and so on and so forth. And for each one of those different operating systems, we can also white label the player. So the actual application that the end client is going to be downloading and installing into that player, into that operating system, can also be white labeled with your brand. So this would be your own software. So you're going to grant them the software, you're going to take that software white labeled with your brand and install it into that player. So there's no way at all that they can know that it's actually OnSign TV, your own platform white labeled, okay? Just keep in mind that this specific product here, the white label, implies on different fees. So there is a fee specifically for the server customization, and there is a fee for each player that you want to customize. So if you would like to customize the server in an Android player, so that would be the server customization and the customization for the Android player. And it could be obviously adding up Windows, SoCs, and so on and so forth. Okay? To get more information about those fees, you can check our website or ask for more information on info@onsign.tv or support@onsign.tv. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. See you next video.